a video on a brand new channel. So first I'll start with introductions for those of you who don't come from my main channel. My name's George. I'm a programmer. Well, I'm going to school to be a programmer, and I'm a gamer. My number one thing is I love video games, and I also love coding. So, you may be wondering what this video is about, and what's this new channel advertising something called the Monokuma Project? Well, it's going to be quite easy to explain, so let's get down to the details as quickly as possible. So, Project Monokuma is very simple. What's going on is me, as well as one of my friends, are, well, building Monokuma from Danganronpa. If you don't know what Danganronpa is and don't know who Monokuma is, well, maybe you should go play that game and ignore any spoilers that are going on in the background right now, so I'll probably put gameplay video behind this. For those wondering technical details of how do we plan to do this, well, I have some experience in coding with microcontrollers as well as coding with computers. So, the current plan is to use a Raspberry Pi. We were going to use a Zero, but I'm thinking of upgrading because the Raspberry Pi Zero we have can't even run itself without overloading. Um, but using a Raspberry Pi to take in controls from an outside controller, most likely going to build some kind of web-based interface for this version of Monokuma. And we're going to build a Monokuma robot that will be able to move around based on the Mastermind's controls, as well as be able to. The Mastermind will be able to see through the app, will be able to hear through the app, and will be able to talk through the app, all through Monokuma. Or, well, that's the plan at least. As of right now, I only have a couple of the parts, mainly because the motor prices are relatively up right now, so I'm just waiting for a slight dip in price before I go back into trying to buy parts. We're planning on using probably some old phone chargers, the battery blocks, to power this prototype. And we're going to record every step of the way of it all, which is what this channel's for. So, welcome to Despair High School R&D, where we will be building Monokuma, something that seems to for some reason not have been done before. And as much as I have just entered the Danganronpa fandom myself, I like investigating into fandoms a lot, and it honestly surprises me that no one's tried to build Monokuma before. It seems like a really interesting robotics project. Plus, it's not like he's actually, massively complicated when you get down to it. Yeah, he technically can use weapons, and we are going to be trying to make him so he has a class trial mode. But other than that, really his only complicatedness is how many of him exist within the Danganronpa world. Our goal is to make one, though if more come down the line, if we have fun with this, I'm going to make software to streamline most of the programming side, and it will just be a process of assembling. So I hope you all enjoy watching any video that comes out after this, watching us build a fully functional Monokuma, and we hope to see you on the Despair side.